Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best angle grinder on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Dewalt Lithium Ion 4.5-inch grinder, cordless angle. Grinders are often beneficial, as they're more portable and versatile since you're not restricted by a power cord. For a high-end cordless angle grinder, you can't go wrong with the Dewalt 20V MAX Lithium Ion cordless 4.5-inch grinder. This is a lightweight, versatile, and powerful angle grinder that you can use for a variety of applications. The downside of this product is that the batteries and chargers are sold separately, but you definitely won't be disappointed with the performance of this cordless tool. This grinder is perfect for a wide range of applications, including construction, maintenance, and even automotive work. It features a quick change wheel release that allows you to switch discs without any tools, and the 8,000 RPM motor provides all the power you need for cutting and grinding a variety of materials. Thanks to the 2-finger trigger, switch, and lock-off button, it features easy activation and better gripping. 2-position side handle provides enhanced control, comfort, and adaptability. Pros: well designed for easy use. 2-position side handle. Powerful performance. Light and easy to carry around. Cons: consumes battery power relatively faster. Number 2, BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder Tool. If you're searching for the best angle grinder for wood carving, sanding, grout removal, and other light-duty projects, BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder Tool might be a wise choice. This affordable model features a 6-amp motor that produces up to 10,000 RPM of speed, and it's compatible with 4-5-inch grinding and cutting wheels. BLACK+DECKER markets this model at light-duty, DIY-type users, and that's where it excels. This very affordable model is easy to use, thanks in part to its lock on trigger. The 3-position handle mounting system works for plenty of scenarios, such as cutting and grinding at unusual angles. Just don't expect the BLACK+DECKER to handle heavy-duty jobs like large metalworking projects for any length of time, as it only has a 6-amp motor. Durability is important in a grinder, especially if you have a tight budget. You'll want to make the most out of your investment, right? Getting this BLACK+DECKER angle grinder might be a great decision if you're looking for a durable tool, as it features a metal gear case that substantially extends the lifespan of the tool. Pros: plenty of capability for the price. 3-position handle, including top mount. Trigger locks into position. Cons: 6-amp motor is only suitable for light-duty work. Number 3, Dewalt DWE402 4.5-inch Angle Grinder. With the right disc attachment, angle grinders are even powerful enough to cut through concrete. If you're looking for a tool to help you grind down or slice through this tough material, you may want to opt for the Dewalt DWE402 4.5-inch 11-amp paddle switch angle grinder. This tool excels in terms of power to size ratio, delivering 11,000 RPM, yet only weighing around 6 pounds. It has a 2-position side handle for a comfortable grip, and its dust ejection system helps to ensure particles do not enter the tool and compromise its lifespan. This is the grinder to choose if you want to make quick work of concrete surfaces, grind down floors, or deeply score sidewalks with ease. Plus, it's surprisingly affordable. I found the DWE402 to be the ideal grinder for my work. Though not everyone will need its power and high-speed capabilities, it cut through angle iron faster than any other grinder, and it made short work of my large, lumpy, amateur-grade welds, though it's definitely a pro grade tool, and the speed boosting button on the handle base helped a lot. While this is one of the best variable speed angle grinders, neither the DWE402's vibration control nor its grip got much attention on the drawing board. Number 4, Bosch 1375A Angle Grinder 4.5-inch. Many angle grinders can be big and bulky, a consequence of skipping the use of high-quality materials just to save on manufacturing costs. This is why it's easy for this Bosch 1375A angle grinder to stand apart from its competition with features that make it convenient and comfortable to use. Its 2-position side handles contoured to a natural ergonomic holding position provides maximum operator comfort, and its weight of only 3.75 pounds makes this affordable tool really lightweight, especially for working on long jobs. Its functionality is aided by a versatile 5/8-inch to 11 spindle that works with a wide array of sizes. This Bosch angle grinder takes care of power with its 6.0-amp motor that delivers 11,000 no-load RPM, which makes it perfect for professional cutting and grinding applications. Unlike other grinders with inferior poorly made motors, the guys at Bosch made sure that this angle grinder was really well built to ensure long-term durability. The user takes proper care of the tool. This takes the guesswork out of maintaining the tool, which is a really advanced feature for a tool of this price if you ask me. Number 5. Avid Power Store Angle Grinder. Next product on our list is from a trustworthy brand called Avid Power Store. If you are looking for a good quality angle grinder at an affordable price range, then this can be a great option to consider. Their angle grinder is equipped with a 7.5 amps motor and 900 W max output power. It can generate a no-load speed of 11,000 RPM, which makes it suitable for most of the applications like sanding, cutting, and grinding. It is suitable for metal cutting, tile grinding, rust cleaning, wood grinding, metal grinding, and wood cutting. It has ergonomic handles, safety protection, convenient operation, and other beneficial features. The blade guard protects users against flying debris, while the two-position handle allows for more control when working on specific materials. Some buyers didn't find the instructions to install the shield piece easy to read, but this component should easily move at a 360 degrees angle if installed correctly. This is just what I needed. Road 1 shopper, plenty of power for just about anything I do around the house and DIY projects. Key features: 2-position auxiliary handle, lightweight and compact, ergonomic design, versatility in all applications.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.